The new Amazfit Balance 3 is finally here, and it might be Amazfit's best smartwatch yet. It promises premium hardware, advanced fitness tracking, long battery life, and flagship features at a much lower price than many Garmin and Apple watches. So, is it really worth buying? In this review, we'll cover the design, display, battery life, connectivity, core features, health tracking, and all the major upgrades to help you decide Amazfit Balance 3 is the right for you. Welcome back to SmartWatch Radar. Let's get started. Design, build, and display. The first thing you'll notice is how premium the Balance 3 feels. It comes with a stainless steel or titanium body, sapphire glass protection, 4 physical buttons, and 10 ATM water resistance. Despite its large size, it sits comfortably on the wrist and feels well balanced for daily wear. The watch features a 1.5-inch AMOLED display with an impressive 3000 nits of peak brightness, making it easy to read even in bright sunlight. The larger screen is also great for maps, workouts, and everyday use. Compared to previous Balance models, the display is brighter, smoother, and more enjoyable to use. Battery life. Battery life is one of the Balance 3's biggest strengths. Amazfit rates it for up to 21 days of typical use and around 10 days with heavy usage. In accurate GPS mode, it can last up to 41 hours, making it an excellent choice for runners and outdoor athletes. Early hands-on testing also confirms that real-world battery performance is one of its strongest features. Compared to the Apple Watch, the battery life isn't even close. The Balance 3 lasts much longer. Garmin still leads in extreme endurance on some models like the Enduro series, but for everyday users, the Balance 3 offers excellent battery performance. Connectivity. You get Bluetooth calling, Wi-Fi, NFC, dual-band GPS, offline maps, turn-by-turn navigation, music storage, voice assistant support, and 64 gigabytes of built-in storage. The latest Zepp OS 6 also feels smoother than previous versions, with quicker navigation and a cleaner interface. Core features and what's new. This is where the biggest improvements appear. The Balance 3 introduces HybridCharge Energy Intelligence, a new system that combines training load, recovery, stress, sleep, and daily activity to help you better understand your energy levels throughout the day. You also get a newer processor, brighter display, extra physical buttons, a built-in flashlight, larger storage, Zepp OS 6, and improved HYROX training tools. These upgrades make the watch feel faster and more capable than the previous generation. Amazfit has also improved its AI coaching, training recommendations, and workout analysis, making the experience much closer to what Garmin users expect. Health and fitness features. The Balance 3 tracks heart rate, blood oxygen, sleep, stress, recovery, HRV, training readiness, and supports over 180 sports modes. It also includes dual-band GPS, offline navigation, HYROX training plans, race simulations, and recovery insights. Workout tracking is accurate, GPS performance is reliable, and the Zepp app now presents health and fitness data in a much cleaner and easier to understand way. Garmin still provides deeper training metrics for professional athletes, while Apple offers stronger third-party app support. But for most users, the Balance 3 delivers nearly everything needed for fitness, health, at a much lower price. Is it better than Garmin or Apple? The answer depends on what you're looking for. If you want the deepest training analysis, Garmin still leads. If you're heavily invested in the Apple ecosystem, the Apple Watch remains the better smartwatch. But if you want a premium smartwatch with excellent battery life, a bright AMOLED display, advanced health tracking, offline maps, AI-powered training tools, and flagship-level features without spending $600 to $1,000, the Amazfit Balance 3 offers outstanding value. Several reviewers have described it as one of Amazfit's strongest Garmin alternatives yet. Final verdict. Starting at around $369, the Amazfit Balance 3 delivers features that normally cost much more on competing watches. If you're looking for a smartwatch that performs well in the gym, outdoors, and during everyday use without paying flagship prices, The Amazfit Balance 3 is definitely worth considering. That's my review of the Amazfit Balance 3. Let me know what you think about this new smartwatch in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe to SmartWatch Radar, and I'll see you in the next one.